This is a review of the VEV DeepCalm 15-in-1 Magnesium Complex. The brand sent this to me so that I can try and test it out and do a review, and I'm so glad that they did. I ended up switching this to this magnesium from my prior brand that I was utilizing because of the fact this has magnesium glycinate, oxide, malate, and citrate. And then not only does it have those four different types of magnesium, this also has ashwagandha, L-theanine. It also has a blend of some multi-minerals, including some lion's mane mushroom, ginkgo biloba, rhodiola rosea. There is some holy basil in here as well, which is pretty awesome. And then there is some valerian root. Valerian root is known to be a very potent herb to relax your body. And then the ashwagandha is known to be an adaptogen. And so it helps with adapting to stress, along with that holy basil. And so this is a fantastic magnesium complex to do some deep calming throughout the day. And the container has 120 veggie capsules. And look at how tiny they are. It's insane. Like, you get all of that nutrition in those two little capsules. And again, there's serving size is 2 capsules, and there's 120 servings per container.